Hey everybody, welcome back to the Photog experience. And on today's episode, I'm going to tell you what the best travel camera is in 2020. Stay tuned. It is currently very cold, and it is 36 degrees. So 1 minute, I'm going to get my jacket. Okay, that's better. Whew, it's cold. Yes, I know it's colder in other places, but here in Virginia, 36 degrees with the wind, you can probably hear it. Super cold. Okay, so on to the topic of this video. What is the best travel camera in 2020? Now, no, this is not a trick. This is not, you have to buy this brand or you have to buy this camera, yada, 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 yada. Because it's very, 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 very simple. The best camera in general, but the best travel camera to have in 2020 is the camera you already have. It's the one that you have with you. It doesn't matter if it's thousands of dollars. It doesn't matter if it's $50. It doesn't matter if it's your phone, which I'm actually recording on my phone right now. That's why you don't see it down here. But it is the camera that you have with you. So some of the cameras I brought with me today, obviously I'm using my phone to record this. My phone is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It is my workhorse. I literally use that for everything. I'm going to be using that for my vlogs, my photo camera, everything. But some of the other cameras that I brought today is a GoPro Hero Session. Now this little thing is a nice little cube and it packs a punch. It is done super, super well. It's waterproof 100% and it just works. So you could have something like this, or this is the GoPro Hero 7 White. Also another great action camera. GoPro obviously is the leader of all of that. DJI is coming up, but GoPro still has it, I think. Here's a Hero 7 White. And then also we have the digital SLRs. Obviously, the one I use, I have the Canon Rebel T5i, which is pretty old right now, but it does have like a flip out screen, which is great for vlogging. And what I'm going to do with each one of these cameras, with my phone, with all of these different GoPros, and this digital SLRs, I'm going to show you like a little snippet of what it is to vlog on these different devices. Now with a digital SLR, you're able to change out the lenses so you can have different lenses and whatnot. But the best travel camera you can have in 2020 is literally the camera that you have with you. It's the one you're most comfortable with. Now, it could be a point and shoot, like Canon like G7X Mark II or 3 or anything like that, or a Sony point and shoot or anything like that. Whatever you feel most comfortable with and whatever camera you have with you basically all of the time, that is the best camera. You don't need thousands of dollars worth of equipment, worth of digital SLRs or the latest GoPro. You just need something to help you tell your story. That is the main thing about travel photography, is telling your story. And that's what I love about that. Now, yes, it is amazing to have thousands of dollars worth of equipment. I do not. But each one of these different things, well, these kind of do the same thing. Each one of these different cameras do something different. If you want more of a manual feel to where you have complete control over everything and you understand what exposure is, you understand what ISO is, you understand all of what that has to do, or you understand all of that, then a digital SLR is great for that. If you want just something, push a button and go, you can take it anywhere, do whatever you want with it, the GoPro is worth it. I use my phone. Now, granted, I don't take it underwater, but I use my phone for everything. I use my phone for photography, and I use my phone for videos and vlogs. Now, with each one of these, if you wanted to do video, you can shoot some pretty nice B-roll with them. You can do nice photos with them. They all have amazing photo quality. and let's show you what some of these look like when you vlog with them. So if you're looking to vlog with your phone, this is what it looks like to vlog with an iPhone 11 Pro Max. And this is actually the front-facing camera, so you're actually able to shoot in 4K with this camera, which is pretty awesome. Like I said, this is my workhorse, this is my go-to, this is what I'm going to be using for all my travel vlogs coming up. This is what it looks like when you vlog with your phone. And this is what it looks like when you vlog with the GoPro Hero Sessions, or GoPro Hero Sessions 4, but just the Hero Sessions. Now, you probably will hear a lot of the wind noise. There is no sort of covering or anything like that. Also, you will notice that the angle of view is humongous and you can see a lot. But what's amazing about this, it can fit in your pocket, just like a phone, and you can literally take it anywhere. You can get all sorts of GoPro mounts and stick it on you and just go to town, take it underwater. And I've actually done quite a bit of underwater footage with this thing, and it's great. And so this is what it looks like to vlog on the GoPro Hero Sessions. And this is what it looks like with vlogging with the GoPro Hero 7 White. And again, this also has no So this is what it looks like to vlog with the digital SLR. I am not the best at this whole rig. I think it's heavy. My arm starts to get tired. So whoever does this, you don't get in. I give you super props because it is very hard. Also, if you're not hearing a lot of wind noise, you may hear some shake noise because, again, it's heavy. You may not hear a lot of the wind noise because I am using my Movo mic with the windscreen. A few great things about this particular camera is it has a flip out screen. So you're able to see yourself. Obviously you don't want to look at yourself, you want to look at the lens. I've been doing that, I'm sorry, I'm not used to this. But you get the flip out screen and you can get all the different lenses that you would like to do different things. And it just, it gives you a great photo camera to go shooting as well as video camera. I believe this shoots in 1080p because this is a Canon T5i. And just overall, it's a great workhorse camera if you wanted to use it for social media, YouTube, anything like that. Some bad things, I shoot in manual mode. I don't shoot in automatic, especially when it comes to digital SLRs. And so it doesn't handle drastic light changes very well. So if you see I'm here in bright sunlight, going into shade, it just stays there. You have to manually fix it. Whew, wrong way. And then you have that. So this is what it looks like to vlog on a digital SLR. So those are my thoughts on the best travel camera in 2020. It's what you have. Don't get hung up on the equipment that you want to have or don't have, because that's just going to hinder the creative process. Learn what you have and go out there and tell your story. Thank you all again. My name is Jonathan Bailey, and here on the Photog Experience, I'd like to give you tips and tricks on how to help improve your travel photography, like this one. And I also throw some travel logs in. So if this is something you're interested in, please go ahead and consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you can stay up to date on all the videos that I post, because I'm going to be posting more of these to help you all just get better at what you're already doing. Now, shameless plug, obviously, go ahead and go to the description down below and you can see all the different links to my social media, the Facebook page, the Instagram. Go show it some love. And don't forget, if you have any questions about any of these products, feel free to leave any of your questions or comments down in the comment section below.